and my insecurities. I saw when you start take man and start get bright. Alright, go in my room.
No, please.
Mr. Go in my room.
Hello, good morning. Hi, Paula. How you doing? Is Mr. White in as yet? Alright, tell him I'm not coming in today, alright? I'm not feeling too well. Alright, thank you.
What, me not gonna work?
No?
Why?
Because I don't feel too well.
My girl, no matter with the full loan business, I'm gonna lose a job, you know. Remember, we have bills to pay now. One day the phone bill come to $6,000 and I won't pay that.
What, Paul? $6,000? It's three of us alone live here. Me, you, and Brenda. And I'm hardly here and Brenda hardly use the phone. So how the bill come to so much?
Oi, remember business call them for make you know. So nobody rare and talk about a fool in the you know.
Business call, Paul? It's been a year and 2 months since you've worked. And none of your business calls have never contributed to anything in this house.
What you mean my call them not contribute to no bill?
It contributes to make them only higher.
There's no contribution that.
Paul, this is not a joke thing, you know. You have to find something and do. Because, honestly, it's overwhelming now. I'm undergoing a whole heap of pressure.
We don't tell us I'm not work with no boss man, because I'm not kiss nobody else.
But Paul, you're not enough to start a business for yourself. You ever think about what you want to do and get some qualifications to start something for yourself?
Yo, me the man. If me do a lecture, I go for you, you know.
Paul.
What?
I'm pregnant, you know.
Yo, what?
You hear what I say?
Well, you know what you do.
What?
Dash you way.
No, Paul, no. This is the second time I get pregnant for you. And the second time I tell you about abortion.
About who? Let me tell you this. Them think that for rich people with 5 or 6 month belly. People like me and you deal with a buckle of Pepsi a rusty nail, and 2 fenzik. So try get rid of that before you reach a bash on stage. Me nah put me at where me can't reach. I mean nah bro, no if you go feed no picnic, I'm done chat.
Nothing. I'm fine.
After 10 years of friendship and 3 years living in the same house, you don't think me doing something wrong? I bet you tell me no one tell me.
Brenda, it's Paul again.
Oh! That's why you never want to tell me. You're that dirty, underprivileged, non-ambitious dog there again.
Brenda, if you're gonna start classing, let's just finish.
Class him up? I because I couldn't find a lower class to put the drunk in her. You think my feel good for know say you're a nice girl who can get any man you want and you in here make the way I use it like you're a floor mat?
Brenda, Paul has his nice ways as well, you know.
Of course, some of him nice ways. It's just that him not display it with you. When last him carry you out?
Perfect picture, even though deep inside she suffer. She model her fear but fancy cover. Now make you see how she bruised and battered. You see a smile, perfect picture, even though deep inside she suffer. She model her fear but fancy cover. Now make you see how she bruised. Reflecting me see how much she changed from she there with him. It seemed like nothing cause she check for him but slowly. Over time she hyper vigilant. It up in a dark corner at every event. Other little things me get for realize. Introvert behavior start to normalize. Most times when we talk me hear the agony. But she says she happy he must spend money. You might see a smile, perfect picture, even though deep inside she suffer. She model her fear but fancy cover. Now make you see how she bruised and battered. You see a smile, perfect picture, even though deep inside she suffer. She model her fear but fancy cover. Now make you see how she bruised. Today must see your sister post, can't believe you're gone. Your mother paid, say big data, memory live on.